Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these Oogie Boogie inspired nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And on the ring finger, I'm going to do Oogie Boogie. So as I do with my character nails, I have it already sketched out with a pencil just on the nail. I'm going to take Madam Glam's black gel paint, and then I'll also be using the vivid green gel paint. So starting off with the black gel paint, I'm going to go over my outline and just create the outline and also fill in all of the black spots. Once the outline and the black is done, I go ahead and fill in Oogie Boogie using that vivid green color. I feel like this is the perfect neon green for Oogie Boogie too. And then once Oogie Boogie is colored in and cured, I go back in with the black and just add more details and add like the stitching on him, fix his eyes, fix the eyebrows, just kind of focus in and add back any details that I lost from coloring him in. And Oogie Boogie is one of the easier characters I've done. He's pretty simple, just the two colors, the black and the green, so not too bad. Then going in for the rest of the nails, I'll be using Madam Glam's Enchanted Green. This is from their new October collection. I'll leave a link to that collection down below. I highly recommend picking up the October collection. It's the Gel Potion collection. It is a really good collection. So I'm going to paint this on my middle finger and my thumb. Then going in with Madam Glam's No Angel. This is a peachy nude background. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger. I'm going to do a second coat of both of these shades. And now to go in with the rest of the design, on the pointer finger, I'm going to do a spider web. And then on the pinky, I'm just going to do some stitches. So I'm going to start with the black, draw out the spider web and the stitches. Then I'm going to go back in and add some green detailing with that vivid green. So I'm going to do some highlighting on the spider web as well as on these stitches. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of green ooze dripping from the spider web. Again, just to add some detail. Then once that is cured, I'm going to also go back in with our shimmer shade and do the same thing, just add a little bit of accent with that glitter, do some highlighting with it. And I also go back over on Oogie Boogie and highlight some of his stitches on his face as well. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my nails came out. I think they came out super cute. They are perfect for Halloween. I've done Nightmare Before Christmas nails in the past. I've done Jack, so I will leave a link to that video down below. But I think Oogie Boogie is such a good villain and is perfect for Halloween. On my other hand, I did add some of the green dice, and it just tied the whole design in all together. So I hope everyone has a happy and safe Halloween for those who are celebrating. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my character tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!